India has overtaken Russia as the third worst hit country by coronavirus after the total number of cases neared 7 lakh. The Union Health Ministry has reported 24,248 cases and 425 deaths in the last 24 hours. The fresh cases and deaths have pushed the total cases in the country to 6,97,413 and the death count to 19,693. The recovery rate stands at 60.85%. with 4,24,433 patients across the country having recovered from highly contagious disease. China has withdrawn its troops by at least a kilometer in the tense Galwan river valley in eastern Ladakh, where 20 soldiers were killed in action in a deadly brawl with Chinese troops on June 15th. Sources said on Monday. The Indian soldiers have also pulled back and a buffer zone has been created between the troops of both sides, according to sources. Temporary structures built by Chinese soldiers at the illegally occupied site at the river Pent embankment are being removed by both sides, according to sources. Rahul Gandhi tweeted this morning that future Harvard Business School studies on failure would include COVID-19, demonetisation and implementation of goods and services tax. The latest in his attack-a-day tweets include a video of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's national address in the country's fight against coronavirus outbreak, along with the rising graph of India's coronavirus cases. Amazon Google set to face tough rules under India's e-commerce draft policy. India's latest e-commerce policy draft includes steps that could help local startups and impose government oversight on how companies handle data. The government has been working on the policy for at least 2 years amid calls to reduce the dominance of global tech giants like Amazon, Alphabet's Google and Facebook. Mumbai's suburbs and neighbouring Thane district received over 100 mm of rainfall in the last 24 hours. The Indian Meteorological Department said on Monday and predicted more heavy showers in those areas and other parts of Konkan, Maharashtra. The observatory in Thane Belapur Industrial Association area recorded 213.4 mm rainfall during the 24 hours ending at 8:30 am on Monday. A total of 8 lakh Indians may be forced to leave Kuwait as its National Assembly Committee has approved a draft expat quota bill seeking to reduce the number of foreign workers in the Gulf country. The National Assembly's Legal and Legislative Committee has determined that the expat quota bill is constitutional. According to the bill, Indians should not exceed 15% of the population. This could result in 8 lakh Indians leaving Kuwait, as the Indian community constitutes the largest expat community in the country, totaling 1.45 million, the Gulf News reported, citing a Kuwaiti newspaper.